everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I did not expect to be filming this video this year, but I did it. We did it. I bought the bag. What is up, you guys? My name's Taylor. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week around all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle. And yes, we are going to be unboxing my Bottega Veneta small turn bag. I'm just going to hop in and get started because I haven't opened this and it arrived yesterday, and you have no idea how tempting that was. Really quick, I want to say that I am in no way, shape, or form trying to brag or tell you guys that you need this bag. I really appreciate seeing videos like these and seeing an in-depth review, especially on a pricier item if I'm going to be investing in something. So yeah, I did just want to put that out there. I did purchase this for myself for my 25th birthday, and my dad also chipped in, so that was really nice, and I'm just very excited because I've had my eye on this bag for so long. Let's just get started. I really do need a box cutter, but we resort to the keys. I ordered this on my birthday, so I ordered this on December 26th, and it arrived in 2 days. I was not expecting it to be here that fast, but they offered free express shipping, so I took them up on that opportunity. I don't have a Bottega store anywhere near me. The closest one is probably an hour and a half away. If there was a store closer, I probably would have done like the whole experience where I order it online and then I pick it up in store, just because they try to make it an experience for you. Sometimes they give you champagne. It's a little bit more fun than it just arriving to your house, but I wasn't mad because it got here in 2 days. Okay, the big reveal. Oh, yes. Am I sweating? This dust bag is so nice. Oh my gosh, I just got a peek at the bag. But just comes in this bag. I honestly expected a box within a box. I feel like a dust bag is perfect. It also just came with, I think this is my receipt, and then just a bunch of paper. So, oh. And the tag? That's so weird that it's not attached, but it came with the tag, just a barcode. They do offer free returns, I think. Well, they must, because it came with a FedEx sticker too. All right, you guys. We're doing this at the same time. I'm not looking at it before I show you guys. Oh, yes, ma'am. Right off the bat, I am so happy with the size. I honestly thought it was going to be a little bit smaller, but I am really happy that this is the small one. They make a small and medium one. I typically don't carry a large purse, and this is awesome because all I really need is my EpiPen, and I've been looking for a bag to hold my vlog camera as well. So let's just take this paper off. Oh my gosh. I am so beyond excited right now. First things first, they do come in 5 different colors with the small pouch. I don't own a black bag. The only black bag that I own is my fanny pack, and I obviously don't want to wear that when I'm like going out. So I was really set on getting a luxury bag that was black that I could use on the everyday basis, and wow, I am so happy with the size. I can't get over it. Another thing that I really like is the gold hardware. I really only wear gold jewelry. I feel like having gold hardware really just complements an outfit. Doesn't clash because I'm already wearing gold, and I feel like gold just goes really well with my skin tone. The zipper has their little triangle on there, and I'm gonna open her up. Big thing for me is the zipper. It feels smooth, which is exciting. If you're investing in a bag, I mean, a huge thing is having a nice zipper because you don't want it to be flimsy or breaking on you, and this feels very sturdy and very nice. Then we got the stuffing, and what is this? Why is this the cutest thing I've ever seen? This little envelope, which is the cutest envelope I've ever seen, and this little book just has like every single language saying this is Italian natural leather. Any variations, veining, marks, or irregularity. Why can't I pronounce that today? Irregularities. That sounds so weird to me. Are unique characteristics that we embrace. Store and handle with care. Avoid contact with any liquids, creams, oils, makeup, perfumes, direct sunlight, heat, and abrasive surfaces. So just pretty much telling you to take care of your bag, and the fact that it is leather, that it's gonna change, and I'll show you guys. There's another way to carry this bag, and I feel like that's a big reason why I purchased it, is because there's multiple ways to wear it. Let me take out the stuffing. So that is the inside of the bag. There is no pockets, and some people complained about that in the comments of other reviews videos that I watched, but I really don't mind carrying a wallet. I always have a wallet on me, so I'm not a hater of that. I just realized too that the inside of the bag loops out to the outside of the bag, so the handle actually goes on the inside. But the biggest thing for me is the fact that I can carry this multiple ways. First way, of course, is wearing it around your shoulder. I've never had a bag that I would wear really around my shoulder because they're always too small. They're more like a handheld bag. This is a game changer because honestly, this feels nice. I was so nervous something would be, I know there's nothing in it yet and I'll show you guys what fits inside, but it's not like weighing me down. It's not making me uncomfortable. I feel like it's perfect. And then I don't know if you guys caught this earlier, but you can move this up and down, which transforms the bag entirely. I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside. I got a few items and let's see. So it's pretty spacious. I have my little wallet. I have the iPhone keys. And then we can't forget our Rhode Peptide lip treatment. Let me put that all in there. There's still quite a bit of space, so that is very reassuring. The leather is really flexible, which I really like because it kind of transforms the bag. I mean, making it look flat versus stuffed. So a lot of the videos that I watched had this type of shape going on, so I literally just push the air inside. You can wear it flat or you can wear it like this. This is so cute. People say that it's a two-way bag, but I feel like it's a three-way bag because this and the flat version looks so much different. And then the coolest thing ever is the fact that this ball moves. Then it turns into this shape here and you can wear it around your wrist like so. It's just really neat and looks like a totally different bag. It's so unique. Like, I love it. And the quality, I mean, come on, it's so good. Obviously, depending on how you wear the bag, you have to figure out what you can fit inside. Having this small little version here, you're not going to be able to fit as much stuff in there, but I feel like if it's a dressier occasion and you're not carrying that many things, maybe this isn't like the everyday way you wear the bag. And this ball is very smooth. Like, I was a little bit nervous that it would be like scratching against the leather strap and I wouldn't be moving it around as much, but the amount of times that I've already moved it around, this is so smooth and cushiony. I'm all about comfort, so having this be comfortable around my arm is like a #1 thing. I mean, it really is gorgeous. I can't stop looking at it. I really wanted to get something that was unique and had some type of gold hardware. I know everyone has the Bottega Jody and I had been having my eye on that, but I feel like you can't put it around your arm like this and I need that convenience. This bag was the winner for me and I am so obsessed. I love it so much. I'm gonna use it at dinner tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below your honest thoughts on this bag. I am curious. I mean, I love it so much, but if you have anything else to say, I would love to hear it in the comments. This was definitely an investment, but I'm really happy with the quality, and I know it's something that I will have for the rest of my life and hopefully be able to like hand me down it to maybe a future daughter. You never know. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.